কোঅপারেশন ডিপার্টমেন্টের সেক্রেটারি ছিলেন, আমার তাতে আপত্তি নেই, কিন্তু ভ্যানিশ কুমার যদি ভোট ভ্যানিশ করে দেয় তাহলে বলবো না কেন? আপনি কি ম্যাজিশিয়ান? জনগণ ঠিক করবে কাকে ভোট দেবে, না আপনি বিজেপিকে ইলেকশনে জেতাবার জন্য সব নাগরিকদের অধিকার কেড়ে নিচ্ছেন? নাগরিকদের অধিকার কেড়ে নিলে আপনার অধিকারও আমরা কেড়ে নেব। মনে রাখবেন, আঘাত করলে প্রত্যাঘাত কি করে করতে হয়। আজ সকাল 8টায় দিল্লির কুয়াশা ঠান্ডার মধ্যে আমাদের এমপিরা প্রতিবাদ করেছে, তাদের চেংদোলা করে অত্যাচার করে টেনে নিয়ে গেছেন, আর এখানে লাল কার্পেট পিছিয়ে পুলিশ আপনাদের মিটিং করায়, কোর্টের পারমিশন নিয়ে আসেন, সব দখল করেছেন।
You have captured all the agencies under the government of India. You have captured power in Maharashtra. I challenge you. You have captured Haryana forcibly. You have captured Bihar forcibly.
হরিয়ানা জোর করে দখল করেছেন, বিহার জোর করে দখল করেছেন, অনেক রাজ্য জোর করে দখল করেছেন।
You have captured multiple states forcibly. Every time you hear Bengal, you start attacking us. You just can't tolerate Bengal. Anyone who speaks in Bengali are being attacked in Madhya Pradesh, in Rajasthan, in Uttar Pradesh, in Delhi, in Gujarat. What do they think we are? We live in peace and harmony. We believe in the harmony of all religions. There are a lot of Hindi-speaking people in Bengal here at this rally. I want to ask them, have they ever felt insecure here? We extend courtesy to this BJP. Otherwise, I don't want to say what we are capable of doing. Please remember, we could have done a lot of things. They are saying coal scam. But who has taken the money of coal scam? It is the Home Minister. It is the Gaddar. Home Minister used to get the money of coal scam through the Gaddar. It is the BJP leaders who made money through coal scam and sent it to the Home Minister. It is Home Minister Amit Shah who got the money and the proceeds from the coal scam. I want to tell them, it is your good luck that I am still in power in Bengal, but I have the evidence on pen drive, but I have not put it in public. But if you keep attacking me, I will expose you. But I'm still maintaining courtesy. But remember, there is a threshold to everything. Do not cross the Lakshman Rekha. If you do, you will not be able to tackle. I know a lot of things. I am privy to a lot of things, but I don't speak out just for the good of the nation, because if I do, there will be big trouble. When your party holds meetings, then you take police, BSF, CRPF, CISF. They are such cowards. Today Abhishek went for a rally in Nadia and they got the central forces. Why should they intervene in the law and order of a state? If Prime Minister comes here for a meeting, does the police not provide him security?
আমি কাল যা করেছি অ্যাজ অল ইন্ডিয়া তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের চেয়ারম্যান করেছি এবং যা করেছি আমি কোনো অন্যায় করিনি
What I did yesterday, I did it as the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress. I don't mind doing what I've done, but you are a thief. You are trying to steal our election data. You are trying to steal the addresses of the TMC's BLA2s. We have authorized IPAC. They are working for the Trinamool Congress. You sent your team at 6 o'clock. I entered at 11:45. But you stole everything in that time. When I heard the news. But when I called Pratik, I found that he was not responding to calls. That raised a suspicion in my mind. You have to understand, I love my people, I love my supporters. I have to save my party, I have to save my people. If I don't save and stand for my party, how will we fight them? Shameless BJP has forgotten that the same agency IPAC had also worked with Narendra Modi. The same IPAC has also worked for Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. Jagan Mohan Reddy, they had worked for Jagan Mohan Reddy as well. That time Prashant Kishore was at the helm. Now, Prashant Kishore has opened his own political party, so therefore Pratik Jain is in charge of IPAC right now. So IPAC looks after our IT cell in West Bengal. We have only one, but BJP have crores and crores of money. They have so many agencies. But look how arrogant they have become. Those who indulge and foment riots, they are the ones who are in power in this country right now. I can expect courtesy from a gentleman.
গুজরাটের প্রাক্তন হোম মিনিস্টার মিস্টার হারিন পান্ডে কল্যাণ পার্লামেন্টে পারলে তোমরা তুলো কোথায় গেল
What happened to Harin Pandya, the former home minister of Gujarat? Will the right-ear party now answer? Have they forgotten Godhra? Have they forgotten Unnao? Have they forgotten Delhi? Have they forgotten Hathras, Pahalgam? They keep saying that Bengal is full of infiltrators. I don't want to comment because it also involves relations with another country. But who is in charge of guarding our borders? It is the BSF. The BSF was in charge. They had a jurisdiction of 5 kilometers. Now they have increased their jurisdiction to 50 kilometers. They're doing this just to intimidate people at the border. West Bengal government is responsible to man our international borders. It is the BSF. Who looks after the coast? It is the CISF. Who is in charge of giving passports? It is the central government. Who is in charge of customs? It is the central government. Train services, civil aviation, everything is under the central government. So, whoever is entering the country using whichever mode of transport. We are not supposed to know. It is the central government's duty. They are now questioning icons like Amartya Sen, asking him to explain why there is an age difference. What is his mother's age? In this country, institutional delivery of children took place pretty late. A lot of people were born at home. Many people have issues with their birth certificates. So may I ask them, what is their mode of delivery? Are you the delivery boy of CBI or the ED?
हमारा परिवार का कोई पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करेगा, क्यों नहीं करेगा? पॉलिटिक्स करने तो खाते हैं, बदनाम खेते हैं, शराब कौन खेते लगाते हैं, अब तुम्हारे चले किच्छ करने नहीं।
Mamata Banerjee attacks the Home Minister, saying that why can't people from our family enter into politics? It is hard work. But what about your son? He got everything without any hard work. He's now the international president. From washing machine, they have now become vanishing machine.
আমরা তো মনে করি মাঝে মাঝে রেড কার্পেট পেটে অনেক যত্ন করে প্রোগ্রাম করে। একটা ছেলে জয় বাংলা বলেছিল বলে মারতে পেরে গিয়েছিল, আমার মনে আছে, আমি ছবিটা দেখেছিলাম। আর তোমরা যে সারাক্ষণ কুৎসাটা গালাগালি দাও সোশ্যাল নেটওয়ার্কে,
You defame us all the time using social media.
টাকা নিয়ে যাদের জেল থেকে ছাড়িয়েছি আমরা, যাদের হসপিটালে থাকার ব্যবস্থা করে দিয়েছি আমরা,
And there are a
সেই
few
গদ্দারের দল
dalals
বেশি কথা
who are
বললে
working at their behest in lieu of money.
আমি বলবো না কুণালকে দিয়ে করিয়ে দেবো।
If you target me unnecessarily,
There you go, Mamata Banerjee addressing the crowd, also making some very sharp remarks towards the BJP. Now, what you see on your screen right now is Mamata Banerjee taking the battle for Bengal to the streets. Just yesterday, here on the program, we broke the story of what was unfolding in Bengal. And today, 24 hours later, the story has unfolded in how. Mamata Banerjee there took out a Padyatra, had a march that has now culminated into her speech. In that speech, she's talking about all those attacks. But
पश्चिम बंगाल
one
में जो
thing is
अराजकता
clear.
चल रही है, जो कल मुख्यमंत्री का एक्शन था, the entire action of the chief minister is totally unethical, unconstitutional and criminal offense किया है, जो उन्होंने संविधान की शपथ लेकर अब असंवैधानिक काम किया है मुख्यमंत्री।